The profitability of pyrolysis technology is driven by multiple factors. First, the global accumulation of solid waste, especially plastics, sludge, tires, and biomass, provides abundant and cheap raw materials for pyrolysis projects. According to statistics, the world produces about 400 million tons of waste plastic every year, which provides it with a stable supply of resources and reduces operating costs. Second, there is growing global demand for sustainable resources. Pyrolysis technology can not only produce alternative fuels, but also generate high-value-added chemicals such as bio-oil, carbon black, and syngas. These products are becoming popular resources in the market and bring long-term returns to pyrolysis projects. In addition, the differences in recycling needs in different regions allow pyrolysis projects to customize plans to further improve resource recovery rates and market adaptability. Finally, many countries and regions have strengthened their support for waste management policies, especially the European Union's Circular Economy Action Plan, which encourages waste resource recycling and carbon reduction technologies. As an environmentally friendly waste treatment technology, pyrolysis has gained greater investment and profit potential with policy support and market demand.